Hi sir.
किसी का डाउट था ना कुछ
Sir,
पूछ।
can you explain the fourth in? Yes sir.
फोर्थ
Yes sir.
फोर्थ इंजीनियर।
Four... Yes sir.
ओके, आई विल।
Fourth engineer, sir.
फोर्थ इंजीनियर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, कैन यू सी द पीपीटी? Balram?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. Please mute your audio. Okay. So, second engineer or third officer?
Fourth engineer.
Fourth engineer.
Fourth engineer.
Okay. Second engineer is fourth engineer. So, fourth engineer is a certified officer of the engineering department on a merchant vessel. Then means he is certified officer of the engineering department, means he will be the junior most with the certified officer, junior most engineer on board ship, fourth engineer in the department. And on a he keep the matlab he stand, typically he do the duty in engine room from actually it is written wrong slightly, 8 से 12 लिखा हुआ है ये, तो this is 08002 1200 hours, and at night also, that is 8 to 12 is known as 2000 hours to 2400 hours or 000 hours. अंडरस्टैंड? किसको समझ में नहीं आया ये टाइम? 8 से 12 दिन में और 8 से 12 रात में, ये के लिए शॉर्टकट मार दिया लिखने में। तो इसको हम क्या मैरिन लैंग्वेज, मैरिन में क्या आवर्स में हाउ वी विल रीड? he has to keep his watch in the engine room only in day and night, 8 to 12 and 8 to 12. It means in day 8 to 12 is known as 0800 hours to 1200 hours, and at night we are calling 2000 hours to 2400 hours or 0000 hours. He has to do the duty in engine room. Generally, the most junior marine engineer, as you know, that he is the junior most engineer on board ship. Right, no? So, he is the junior marine engineer, and this person is usually responsible for electrical sewage treatment. Sewage system is that the pipes are fitted from the bathroom to ship side, or the galley to ship side. That is known as sewage treatment. And one sewage treatment is also available on board ship, that when ship is in harbor or alongside jetty, so that time we are not throwing waste, even human waste also overboard. There is some sewage treatment system, means sewage system is there on board ship, means tanks are there. So our waste, whatever waste is there, galley waste or our bathroom WC waste, whatever, that we have to keep in that sewage system, sewage tank only. After that, when ship will go for sail out, and when ship going in this thing out sea, that time we have to throw that waste, sewage. Understand? So electrical side also, if the ETO or electrical officer is not there, electronics officer is not there on board ship, then this fourth engineer, he is responsible for electrical equipments also. And sewage treatment, lube oil, bilge means that is the lower portion of the ship from inside. So whatever oil is dropping from the machinery, or maybe the some salt water is also coming through the fireman, or maybe dropping somewhere else. Fireman means there is one system on board ship, that is that pipes are fitted from forward to aft, and water is following, that salt water is continue following in that pipe. That water section is taken from the sea only. That water is known as fireman system. That system is known as fireman system. So that more about this you will learn during your firefighting course. So some water may drop down, so that will go just down of the ship, and that is inside. I am talking inside the ship, in the bottom. So that is known as bilges. So bilge. So he has to clean or look after that bilge also, because the oil and water is mixed. So he has to uh, clear that water through the oil separator system. Oil separator system means they on board ship there is some system which is separate the oil from the water, because as you know that due to the this marine pollution you will read.
Sure, sir.
So as per that rule, marine pollution rule, we cannot throw oil at sea. So if some oil and water is mixed in the bilge is lower portion of the ship. So that we have to clean first, means oil is to be separate from that water, and only water will be thrown overboard. So that system, oil water separation system, that is known as oil water separation system, means oil is to be separate from the uh, salt water, and salt water will be thrown overboard, and that whatever waste oil was there is to be keep on board only, not to be thrown. So that's why oily water separation system is there, that you will learn in MEK, mechanical or marine engineering, uh, whatever will so you will learn about this water separation system. Okay, so sometimes assist the third mate in maintaining proper operation of the lifeboat. Means lifeboat, who is maintaining lifeboat is the responsibility of third mate. LSA is life saving appliances, I told you. So if some assistant is required by third mate, that from engine room side, if the engine of the lifeboat is not operational, maybe some repairing may be required. So for that, this fourth engineer will help the third mate to maintain the lifeboat. नहीं समझ में आया सर?
Understood, sir.
Okay, about this villages, lube oil and this oily water separation system, you will learn in your MEK syllabus. MEK. आपको जो जादव sir will take your class, so he will tell you about this all. Okay. So now catering department. Any question, anyone? In ships organization, from my side, ships organization is completed. There are 3 departments, in charge of the departments and various duty or responsibility of all personnel. This may be asked in your exam, especially online exam. So small question, like who's the in charge of catering department? Normally chief steward. But आप chief steward ही लिखिए. If it is asked like this, otherwise, a on-board ship on the cargo ship, the organization is small, people are not more, so chief steward may not be there on board cargo ship. So who's the senior most in catering department will be in charge. Sometimes there may be one or two catering personnel. So senior most will be the in charge. So anyone, any question?
No, sir.
No. So okay. Now next is okay, watch system. So as I told you that chief mate is doing so and so watch, and that second mate is doing so and so, like this. I told you, no. So this 24 hours is divided into 6 or 7 watches, each 4 hours each watch. So if 4 hours each watch is there, 24 divided by 4. So how many? 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is called watches. So total 6 watch are there in the 24 hours. So if someone is going on duty from night 8 o'clock to night 12 o'clock up to midnight, so that is called first watch. That is called first watch. You can see in slide that PPT that first watch is time is given, that is 2000 hours to 2400 hours, and that is in India our time AM PM, that is 8 PM to night 12 o'clock midnight. Then middle watch means midnight. Middle watch in our language we can say midnight. That is called middle watch in marine language. What is middle watch? 1200 night, midnight, 12 o'clock to 0400 means morning up to morning 4 o'clock. So how we will call 2400 hours to 0400 hours, or we can call 0000 all the 40 hours to 0400 hours. That is 4 hours watch. It means hour we are counting like this, that 24 hours will be exact midnight 12 o'clock. If the 2401 is there, means 2401 is there, that means the midnight 12 o'clock is passed, and 1 minute is over. 1 minute is passed. Next day is started. नहीं समझ में आया सर?
Sir, understood, sir.
Understood. Okay, very good.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So like this, morning watch. Morning watch means in our Indian time we are calling morning. Morning. सुबह कब होती है? Morning is 4 o'clock. Your morning is 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock. That is separate thing. You are not leaving your bed up to 10 o'clock. That is separate thing. But you see your old men they are getting used to get 4 o'clock morning always. So 4 o'clock means morning. So that's why it is called morning watch. 4 to 8. So we will call 0400 hours to 0800 hours. That is morning watch. Then forenoon watch. Forenoon watch is 8 to 1200 hours. 0800 to 1200 hours. So that is up to 1200 hours we are calling morning only. If you say wish to anyone, what you are saying morning, good morning, yes or no? So 0800 to 1200 hours is known as forenoon watch. And afternoon watch, please mute your audio. Is not correct practice. Everybody is disturbing due to one guy. Very bad. So afternoon watch. Afternoon watch means afternoon. Means noon is 12 o'clock. And after 12 o'clock is called afternoon. So 1200 to 1600 hours, that is afternoon 4 o'clock, we are calling afternoon watch. Then after 4 o'clock means 1600 hours to 1800 hours, or you can say that this is one watch actually. This is 1600 to 2000, 4 hours watch, that is known as evening watch. इसमें लिखा नहीं है बट ये इवनिंग वॉच होता है. तो टोटल कितना हो गया? 2, 4 and 6. This 1600 to 2000 hours is called evening watch. So when ship sailed out, so on board ship there are 3 persons only, those are doing duty on bridge, or maybe in engine room also, or maybe on helmsman as a quartermaster also. So just you see, if the A is doing 2000 hours and B doing middle watch means night 12 o'clock to morning 4 o'clock, then C will do morning watch 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. So again, if there are 6 watches, so A, B, C will be in same watch. So this B will do daily middle watch. Then when he will sleep? Just think. The sleeping hours are night 12 o'clock to morning 4 o'clock maximum. So if daily one B is doing middle watch, then when he will sleep? To change the sequence of the watch from second day onwards. First day when ship sailed out, so suppose ship sailed out now. What is time now? 4:50 approx. 4:50. So for evening 4 to 8. Which watch has to close up? 1600 to 1800. That will come 5 o'clock, come under the 1600 to 1800. Yes or no? So this 1600 to 1800 will not be counted. First day we will count evening watch only. This first dog watch and second dog watch will not count from first day. First day watches will be 1600 to 2000. Means जो 1600 ज्वाइन करेगा वो 8 बजे तक, 4 बजे से 8 बजे तक करेगा आफ्टरनून. मीन्स 5 o'clock if ship sailed out, तो वो that person will join 5 o'clock is watch up to 2000 hours. That is known as evening watch. नहीं समझे?
No, sir.
No. Okay. See, first day when ship will sailed out, so there will be 6 watch only. Now if you count from top, first watch, middle watch, morning watch, forenoon watch, up to the second dog watch. So I am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total are 7 watches. But first day when ship will sail out, there will be 6 watches only. There will be no 7 watch. 7 watch will start from second day onwards. अगर आज सेल करता है ship, so today we will count 6 watch only. For example, if ship sailed out morning 8 o'clock, so the forenoon watch will join. Who will join? A. Maybe A or B, C. There will be three person. So suppose A is joining this 8 to 12 means forenoon watch. Then afternoon watch 12 to 1600 hours will be done by B, and 16 to 2000 hours 4 hours watch will be done by C. ठीक है? Now again up to 2000 hours यहाँ हो गया. So then first watch will be joined by A, then B, then C, then A, B, C. So who's doing middle watch, who's doing morning watch, who's doing first watch, they will be continue next day, third day, fourth day, or let it be for 10 days. जो फर्स्ट वॉच कर रहा है वो फर्स्ट वॉच ही करेगा, जो मिडिल वॉच कर रहा है वो मिडिल वॉच ही करेगा, बिकॉज देयर आर ओनली 3 पर्सन. नहीं समझ में आया अभी भी?
क्लियर सर, क्लियर.
No, sir.
समझा सर.
No, sir. No, sir.
ओके ओके ओके, एक बार फिर देखिए. आई विल टेल यू इन हिंदी, प्रॉपर हिंदी. जस्ट सी, दिस इज ऑन टॉप यू कैन सी फर्स्ट वॉच, यस और नो. देन इज मिडिल वॉच, then is morning watch. Each watch are 4 hours. 4 घंटे की एक वॉच है, यस और नो. तो पहले दिन जिस टाइम भी जब भी शिप सेल आउट करेगा, तो जो हेल्थमैन जाएगा, जो ब्रिज पे ड्यूटी जाएगा या इंजन रूम में जो ड्यूटी जाएगा, वो उसी टाइम से उसकी ड्यूटी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. और ड्यूटी करने वाले कितने आदमी है? 3 ही आदमी. और वॉच कितनी होती है? फर्स्ट डे जब शिप सेल करेगा तो 6 वॉच होती है. 6 वॉच कैसे होती है? ये जो लास्ट में जो डॉग वॉच, फर्स्ट डॉग वॉच एंड सेकंड डॉग वॉच है, दे विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड डे ऑनवर्ड्स. फर्स्ट डे ये इवनिंग वॉच रहेगी, मींस 4 बजे से रात को 8 बजे तक, 1600 टू 2000 आवर्स. इतना समझ में आया?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So total how many numbers of person are doing duty? 3 only. For example A, B, C. तो आप किसी भी टाइम से स्टार्ट कीजिए. किस टाइम से शुरू करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऊपर से शुरू कर दो. फर्स्ट वॉच मीन 2000 to 2400 hours. That is that first watch will be done by A, then middle watch will be done by B, then morning watch will be done by C, then again the forenoon watch will be done by A, क्योंकि जो 8 घंटे का ऑफ होने के बाद 4 घंटे का ड्यूटी करना है. ऑन बोर्ड शिप मोर देन 4 hours वॉच नॉट अलाउड. और ड्यूटी पे करने वाला ओनली 3 ही आदमी है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
सो जब फर्स्ट डे से जब हम इसको काउंट करेंगे, तो ये जो लास्ट में दिया हुआ ना, फर्स्ट डॉग वॉच एंड सेकंड डॉग वॉच, दिस इज वन वॉच ओनली, इज नोन एज इवनिंग वॉच. तो इसको हम, ये इसमें लिखा नहीं है, दिया नहीं है, इसको हम बोलते हैं इवनिंग वॉच. ओके. तो ये इवनिंग वॉच हो गया, दोनों वॉच का एक वॉच, तो 4-4 घंटे की टोटल 6 वॉच होगी. तो अगर 3 आदमी ड्यूटी करने वाले हैं, तो किसी भी टाइम स्टार्ट कर लो आप. तो जो बंदा रात में मिडल वॉच करेगा, उसका हर रात में वही वॉच आएगी, चेंज नहीं होगी ड्यूटी. जिसकी सुबह में आ रही है उसकी सुबह आएगी, जिसकी नाइट में आ रही है उसकी नाइट में आएगी, जिसकी आफ्टरनून में आ रही है उसकी आफ्टरनून ही वॉच आएगी. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
तो उसको चेंज करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? दैट इवनिंग वॉच विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. दैट इज 2-2 घंटे की 2 ड्यूटी हो जाती है इवनिंग वॉच की. 1600 टू 1800 डाउन बिलो यू कैन सी, एंड 1800 टू 2000 आवर्स. मीन्स ये क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द वॉचेज विल बी चेंज. जो मिडल वॉच कर रहा है उसको मिडल वॉच नहीं आएगी, चेंज होता रहेगा तीनों में. ये करके देखना आप ऊपर से.
Understand.
हाँ
sir. Yes.
ओके ओके. सो टोटल वॉचेज आर 6 to 7. So first day there will be 6 watch only. First day means when the peoples are joining the watches or ship is sailed out. That time only, that from that day only that the watches will be started, no? So जिस दिन से शिप सेल करेगा फर्स्ट डे से ही वॉच स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. बट फर्स्ट डे में देयर विल बी 6 watches. This last first dog watch and second dog watch will be one watch. That is called evening watch. That is called evening watch. And second day onwards, अगले दिन से जो शाम को जो इवनिंग वॉच है, इवनिंग वॉच का भी है 1600 hours to 2000 hours. That evening watch will be divided into 2 watches. That is first dog watch 2 hours and second dog watch another 2 hours. तो 2-2 घंटे का ये ए और बी 2-2 घंटे का करके एंड सी विल ज्वाइन नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट वॉच. नहीं समझ में आया अभी?
Got it, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So use of this dog watch, जो लास्ट में दिया है ना, दो फर्स्ट डॉग वॉच एंड सेकंड डॉग वॉच. So use of this first and second dog watch is to change the sequence of the watches. To change the sequence of the watches. नहीं तो वो जो ड्यूटी कर रहा है वही करता रहेगा. 10 दिन के सेल होगा तो जो रात में ड्यूटी कर रहा है वो रात में करता रहेगा, जो दिन में कर रहा है वो दिन में करता रहेगा. वॉच बराबर इक्वल नहीं मिलेगा. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
But sir,
Now watches at sea done by officers from bridge side or deck side or engine room side. You can see that is 00:00:04:00 hours. That is known as 00:00 hours is known as midnight 12 o'clock. Or 2400 is also known as midnight 12 o'clock. So midnight 12 o'clock, the duty from deck side will be done by second officer, second mate. And in engine room with the second officer will be third engineer on same watch. Then morning watch 04:00 to 08:00 hours will be chief officer from deck side, and engine room side will be second engineer with the chief officer who will do the duty in engine room, second engineer. Then 08:00 hours to 1200 hours, third officer, and with the third officer in engineering side will be fourth engineer. And then again 1200 to 1600 again after 8 hours second officer and third engineer will come. Then 1600 to 2000 hours chief officer, and with the chief officer in engine room second engineer will come. And 2000 hours to 2400 hours from deck side will be third officer, and with third officer in engine room will be fourth engineer. Clear, sir?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes,
some
sir.
some questions. Whatever we covered today, how many departments are there on ship? There are 3 departments. Deck department, engine department, and catering or saloon department. Then chief cook report to whom? Report to
The master.
master. Very good, master, and compile with the demand of the provision. Then show the discuss the daily menu food. Then what is the duty of each officer? That is separate. That chief mate is the first is he is the in charge of deck department. He is in charge of cargo operation. He is in charge of blast operation. He is a safety officer. He is whatever first navigating. And like this, all officers duty you must know. Which watch is called morning watch? Anyone?
4 hours to 8 hours. 4 hours to 8 hours.
0400 hours to
4 hours
0800.
to 8 hours.
Sorry, one by one. One
Zero
by one.
four
Yes.
4 hours to 08
Yes.
hours.
Yes. Now listen. Now listen. I will repeat. 0400 hours to 0800 hours is known as morning watch. First watch. Anyone can tell me.
200
20.
to
200 to
2400.
2400 hours.
Very good. 2000 hours to 2400 hours.
2400.
Evening watch. 1600 hours to after
1600 hours to 10 p.m.
say up to 2000 hours. Very good.
100 hours.
And the second day onwards, this evening watch will be divided into two watches. That is called first. That will be divided into.
And second dog watch.
Listen,
And second
listen.
dog
Okay, okay. Those are not knowing. Please let me also know. I will tell you. Just listen. So evening watch will be divided into two watches. That is 2 hours. That will be called first 1600 hours to 1800 hours is known as first dog watch, and 1800 hours to 2000 hours will be known as second dog watch. वो गोरों के टाइम पे वो कुत्ता घुमाने के लिए डॉग वॉच होता था, बट नाउ दैट इज फॉलोइंग ओनली. ओके, so remember the evening watch will be divided into two watches, that is first dog watch and second dog watch. That will be divided from second day onwards. First day will be evening watch. Why the evening watch is divided into two watch, first dog watch and second dog watch? Because to change the sequence of the watches. To change the sequence of the
watches.
Okay. Now, anyone, any doubt? Today, I told you
No issue, sir.
your audio is not clear. Please repeat your last.
No doubt.
No doubt.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. Any?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I can't understand second question. Chief cook report to whom?
To master.
Master.
Chief cook always discuss with the master and compile with the supply of the provision. Supply of the provision means क्या दाल लेना है, आटा लेना है, या फिर चिकन लेना है, मटन लेना, फिश लेना, whatever, and they have to discuss the क्या बोलते हैं cost also. That cost should not go raise high, and the food also is to be good. As I given you one example that if you want daily mutton, so mutton will be costly. So they will discuss. We can't give mutton daily because in place of mutton it will give fish on one day, and 2 days chicken, and 1 day we can keep full vegetarian things. So that will not cost will not go high. If we'll give mutton daily, so what will happen? That will become costly. Yes or no? So like this, just I am giving example. I am not chief cook and I have not seen, but this is an example. Okay. So according that they can discuss with the chief cook is discuss about the cost and about the provision with the master, and whatever master is telling is he has to do, and he has to make the daily menu also. क्या देना है खाना वो लेके, and then he will discuss with the master. So chief cook report to whom? Master.
Master.
Yes. Okay. So, anyone, any doubt, any question? So today I discuss about shipboard organization, or you can say ships organization. In simple word, a group of people perform the task necessary for achieve the result. Maybe ship, maybe some institute, maybe some college, maybe some factory, company, whatever. So group of people that perform the task necessary. Necessary means to uh, smoothly run that this thing organization or that factory or that institute or the ship. If ship concern, these things, whatever I told you, is to be achieved. So different peoples are required to perform the different tasks. So there are 3 departments. That is the responsibility of each person is also covered. Okay. So, and watch system is also completed. Watch means the 24 hours divide in 6 watches, 4 hours each watch. That is known as watch system. And to normally on board ship, there will be 3 person and they have to do 4 hours duty. If the 3 persons are doing 4 hours duty, so every after 8 hours he has to A has to join. Then A or B, A, B, C, whatever. So every after 8 hours again they have to perform the duty, 4 hours duty. On board ship, whatever duty are there, that you have to perform by standing only. Sitting is not allowed. That's why the 4 hours duty is given, not 6 hours. You have seen some security people in you, maybe in your society, they are doing 8 hours or sometimes they are doing 12 hours duty. But on board ship, more than 4 hours watch not allowed, because that is slightly hard. You have to continue stand, even not sit a single minute, for single minute. You have to continue stand and then perform the duty 4 hours. So why that sitting is not allowed? Because if A is sitting, okay, now I have seen forward, there is no any light at night time, and just I will sit for 5 minutes on the sofa. He is already tired. So when he will sit, he may sleep. So ship will go somewhere else and he will get up in morning or maybe afternoon
Hello.
next day. Yes. Yes, who is saying hello? Come up. Who's hello? Come up. This is bad habit. So maintain discipline. Hello. Okay. If you want to say something, you can come up. But in between, no. You can even raise your hand also. Okay. Otherwise, in this, if you don't know how to raise hand, you can say, excuse me. Hello, 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 hello. It is not a railway platform, man. Maintain discipline, please. You are going to join marine ship. So on board ship, people are well educated. Okay. So you may be matric, you may be 10th or maybe graduate or
Hello.
postgraduate. Yes.
Hello, sir. I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir,
So
you have told.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. You have told that in watch keeping there are 3 persons. Who are those 3 persons, or it is divided in three persons?
No, that depend upon master or that in charge of your department, or
Or
maybe the senior of you from your department. Maybe if some people are good in doing some job, some work, so Boston will tell approach to chief mate. A and B I want for maintenance, and C, D, E you can send for helpsman duty. Understand? So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
normally peoples are this much only, that 3 person, maybe A, B, C. It's not fixed that A or will go or B will go. That experienced person will go who can steer the ship, who can steer the ship. They know their duty. They can perform the duty very well. They will go only. Who's new, who don't know duty, that what they have to do or how to steer the ship, they will not go. Understand? So they will learn. They will go as a double for time being, and they will learn how to steer the ship. After that learning everything, then only the watch or the duty will be given to them only. Okay, so you don't think that you will go on board ship and straightway you will be sent for this thing, helmsman or quartermaster duty. No. First you have to be taught. Okay, so that depend upon
Yes, sir.
chief mate or department in charge. Normally, on board ship there are not so many people that you may do 4 watch or 6 watch or 5 watch. You will do 3 watch only. What is 3 watch? Means there will be 3 people to do this watch. So A, B, C. Then again A, B, C. Every 8, after 8 hours, that A has to perform the 4 hours duty. Then after 8 hours, 4 hours duty. All the 3. So you can do A, B, C, A, B, C. So if the evening watch is there, then the watch will not be changed. If the 10 days sailing is there, so one people cannot do the duty for 10 days in night only. He has to change. Yes or no? Ek din night, ek din day. That should be the sequence of the watch is to be changed. So that's why the first dog watch and second dog watch, that evening watch will be divided into 2 watch. हाँ सर, और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए. But please now you join the merchant navy. So from starting only you have to make a habit. So you should be a well-disciplined person. Hello, don't call like this. Excuse me, sir. How you will feel if someone will tell you like this? Excuse me. Or sir, मुझे ये नहीं मालूम है. Sir, this can you tell me this thing? These are the manner. If you say hello, is same thing only. But some manners are there. So you learn the good manner now. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So don't mind.
Yes, sir.
So whatever manners will be good and use on board, that we have to tell you, all of you. So now, any more doubt? Otherwise, I am going to end the meeting. Time is over. Anyone?
No doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
So tomorrow I will tell you about this rowing boat. What is rowing boat and orders and whatever. This is boat. Okay. Chalo,
sir.
sir, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Going
you,
to
sir.
end the meeting. Welcome.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye. See you.
Thank
tomorrow.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.